Hey guys, welcome back. Today, what I'm going to bring you is a typical dessert that we actually make in the island, which is called bread pudding. So in Spanish, it's called pudín de pan. So you're going to need bread. I'm going to be using. There's 2 loaves in here and 1.5 loaf here. So I'm going to be using maybe 2 loaves depending. You're going to need 3 eggs. You're going to need a quarter of cup of sugar, 1 can of cream of coconut, and 1 can of classic coconut milk. You could use whatever brand you want as long as you have the cream of coconut and the coconut milk. Okay, and also you're going to need raisins. This is optional. A lot of people don't like raisins. I'm using 3 little boxes of raisins equals half a cup of raisins. And also you're going to boil anise star, 2 cloves, and a cinnamon stick. And what you're going to do, you're going to put that on your raisins and let the raisin absorb all that delicious flavor. Okay. Right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make caramel sugar for my mold. And then I'm going to combine all the ingredients and I'm going to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to pause you guys. I'm going to make my caramel and I'm going to put it on my mold. Meanwhile, while you do all that, you preheat your oven at 350 degrees. Okay, guys? So let me do my caramel sugar and I'll be right back. All right, guys. I got my coconut milk in here. I'm stirring it because this milk usually separates. So I just want to make sure it's nice and combined together. I have this much bread, as you guys can see. Some people make sure you cut it in little pieces or, break it in little pieces. I choose to break mine. A lot of people, you could use any type of bread that you like. Some people use wheat bread. Some people use sweet potato bread. I don't know what it is. I can't pronounce it, but it's like the brochure bread, something like that. I don't know. But I like the traditional white bread, either sliced bread or the loaf of bread. That's the always it has been made. I have my coconut cream. Hold on, guys. I don't want to get a copyright strike. Hold on. Yeah, guys, I don't want to get a copy strike. Guys, I'm going to be leaving the recipe in the description box. Also, you're going to need a teaspoon of vanilla and a little bit of powdered cinnamon to your taste. So I'm going to put that in there. All right, guys, I'm combining my this one is the cream of coconut. As you guys see, it's solid. So I like to combine it before I put it in the bread because I want to get a good, even flavor. So as you guys can see, it's not enough liquid. So remember, the bread is going to absorb everything. So to this, I'm going to add. You could either add an extra glass of regular milk, whatever milk you drink, but I'm going to be adding a glass of water. So I'm using the same can. So into that, I'm going to be adding my sugar. I'm also going to be adding my cinnamon. I'm going to be adding my vanilla. I'm going to beating my eggs, which I forgot. I'm going to beat my eggs. Just beat your eggs and put it in there. You're gonna combine all that deliciousness together. And guys, you could even add butter. I don't, but it's up to you. You like that. But this is a rich dessert. So, and all this mix, I'm going to add it to our bread. And you're going to let the bread absorb everything. Okay. You're going to let the bread absorb everything. So you see, I don't have enough liquid here for the bread to absorb. So even though I added a cup of water, I am going to add a cup of regular milk to it. So I'll be right back. Hold on. I want to bring you guys close because I want you guys to see what it looks like. See? So that's why it's called bread pudding. So I'm going to let this here sit for at least 10 minutes before I put in the mold. So when I do that, I'm gonna come right back, guys. Yes, guys, this video is part of every Sunday quick or fast and easy meals. I know for the past few Sundays I've been bringing you quick and easy desserts. So if there's anything that you want me to bring you and show you how to do it, just leave it in the comment in the description box. So guys, that's that. I already got my mold. It looks like this because I use regular white sugar and kosher sugar, which is a brown sugar. So a thick brown sugar, so it looks like that, but that will melt once the dessert starts settling. So guys, I'm going to start adding this in my mold. Gotta be very careful when you pour it in, because if you don't have a mold with a spout, it'll make you a mess. So guys, you're going to add a tray with water in the oven. So you're gonna cook this at 350 degrees for an hour or until done. So, and believe it or not, guys, this is going to rise. So just be careful. So I'm going to put this little bit in different separate molds, so which they'll be done quicker. So I already got my my tray with water. So it's gonna take an hour, guys. So I'm going to be seeing you guys in an hour. Just make sure that when you put it in there, no water splashing to your cake. So guys, I will see you with the end results. And like I said, this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, and Melissa from Buckeye Girls Presenting. So I'm going to do a single serving. So guys, I will see you when it's all done. Well guys, what do you think? It smells divine. So I'm going to take it out of the oven and I'm going to unmold it. Yep, that's what it looks like, guys. So here it is from close. It just came out of the oven. It smells so good. So now is to demold. Shake it really good. So sometimes some pieces get stuck on the mold because, of course, it's bread pudding. So hopefully I have good luck like the one that I did on Saturday. All right, guys, I'll be right back with the final results. Guys, this is what it looks like. You guys still see the steam coming out of. See, some pieces got stuck on the mold because it's like a yellow, but it's pudding. It's called bread pudding. Guys, if you try this recipe, I guarantee you will love it. This is delicious in the morning or in the evening in the morning with a cup of coffee and in the evening with a cup of tea, which that's exactly what I'm going to be making myself, a spiced tea. I'm gonna let it cool down, of course, and then I'm going to be having me a piece. Guys, I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you, and Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye bye, guys.